Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this my delicious spaghetti. And please guys, don't forget to smash on the red button, subscribe, like and share. If you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. And please, if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up. So guys, stay tuned as I'm about to introduce the ingredients that are needed in preparing this spaghetti. Guys, it's time for you to put your water and pot on the fire. Allow it to get heat for some minutes, and once the water is hot enough, then you add in your spaghetti. You can as well use your spoon to press in the spaghetti. Then after you must have done that, then you have to cover your spaghetti and allow it to cook for like 10 to 12 minutes. Once it is ready, you can as well come back to check time to time to see how far the spaghetti has been cooked. So guys, stay tuned and don't go away. Now that the spaghetti is ready, you transfer into a bowl, you wash properly, but guys, I'm going to wash it off camera. Guys, stay tuned and see how I made this my yummy spaghetti.